Hello students, today we will discuss the short answer questions of your lesson, the fun they had. The answer of these questions you have to give only in 30 words, in maximum 30 words. There are total 8 questions in this type. There are 8 these type of questions, and all in examination these questions are important. Let's see what questions are actually there. The first question is, what kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? So actually now students, it's a very simple question that in the story you have seen that what kind of teacher did Margie and Tommy have. Margie and Tommy actually had the mechanical teacher. Just see here. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They were large and black and ugly and had large black screens on which all the lessons were shown and questions were asked. These mechanical teachers had a slot in which the student had to put their homework and test papers. They had to write their answers in a punch code. Punch code student here is actually the computing language in which a student has to answer answer the question. So actually you saw in the story that Margie learned this computer language when she was 6 years old. Then Margie actually learned this computing language, punch code, and in this language actually she writes down the uh, she submits her answers of the questions. So I hope you would have understood the first question. Now student, this is the answer. I have given you a sample answer. In the examination you have to attempt yourselves, but at home you can practice. On the basis of this answer you can look up to the answer and then you can try your own. Now let's see the second question. The second question, student, is, why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? In the story you saw that once Margie's mother actually sent for county inspector, because county inspector is the person who actually repairs the robotic teachers, the mechanical teacher. If there is something wrong with mechanical teacher, then it's the county inspector who actually mends it. So Margie's mother thought that the performance of Margie is deteriorating day by day. So she thought that we should send for the county inspector. So in grammatical language, in proper sentences, I have written you the answer. You can note down the answer by pausing the video, or I will submit the uh, you know attach a file for the answers. Look at her. Margie had been given many tests in geography by the mechanical teacher, but there was no improvement in her performance. It only kept getting worse. It is for this reason that Margie's mother sent for the county inspector to find out why this was happening. And you all saw in the story that why this was happening. This was actually happening because Margie's robotic teacher, Margie's magnetic teacher was actually geared a level higher than the Margie's standard. Now let's consider the third question, student. Once again, wait. What did he do? Now he here is actually your county inspector. What did the county inspector do to mend the robotic teacher? What did he do to repair the robotic teacher? You would see here, the county inspector gave Margie an apple and start working on the mechanical teacher. He took it apart and then checked it. He took it apart means he opened the robotic teacher with screws and other tools. Margie had hoped that the inspector would not know how to put the mechanical teacher together again. Margie was hoping that he should not again able to, uh, what where is the once again wait put it again together. But actually the county inspector was this expert of this, so he actually did that. But he managed to reassemble it. he slowed down the geography sector of the teacher because it was geared a little too quick for an average 10-year-old. On that, in those days, according to Isaac Asimov, that students, there will be no class, like class 1 2 3. They will read the things according to their age, and then what and how much their mind can contain on that basis. So actually, for an average 10-year-old girl, the teacher was geared slightly higher there. So county inspector actually just lowered to a normal level for a 10-year-old girl. Now focus, students, on the next question. The question number 4 is actually, why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Actually, you learn that Margie was doing very bad in geography because geography sector was actually geared up a little higher than her normal level. That is why Margie's performance was very poor in geography. So you will write, Margie was doing badly in geography because the geography sector of the mechanical teacher had been geared a little too quick. The county inspector rightly told her that she could not be blamed for her poor performance. The county inspector slowed down the geography sector of the mechanical teacher to an average 10-year level. He also told Mrs. Jones that Margie's overall progress pattern was satisfactory. So, student, I hope you would have understood. Now, let's discuss the fifth question. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? In the story, you saw that once Tommy's teacher was completely blanked out. Not Tommy's teacher, but the history sector of Tommy's teacher was completely blanked out once. So, student, here in this, you will write the only once, not twice. Once the history sector of Tommy's teacher had blanked out completely. You will just write like that. I have just by mistake written an extra once there in the file, in the MS Word app. So now you will, student, we will discuss the remaining 3 questions tomorrow. You will note down all these 5 questions today, student.